Our smartphones hold our secrets, memories, and connections to the world. But what if I told you that the ambient light sensor could be silently collecting data about your every move? This tiny component, designed to adjust screen brightness, has the potential to be exploited for far more intrusive purposes. Ambient light sensors are embedded in our phones, laptops, and even smart home devices. Their primary function is to measure surrounding light levels and adjust screen brightness accordingly. However, constantly collecting data about the environment makes them vulnerable to exploitation. These sensors detect changes in light intensity, which can be analyzed to infer a surprising amount of information about the user and their surroundings. Researchers have shown that these fluctuations in light can be used to reconstruct speech, track movements, and even identify individuals. Imagine a scenario where a malicious app gains access to your phone's light sensor data. It could potentially track your keystrokes, eavesdrop on your conversations, or even monitor your sleep patterns, all without your knowledge or consent. This is not science fiction, it's a very real threat in our increasingly interconnected world. Researchers at MIT have exposed the hidden dangers of ambient light sensors. In a groundbreaking study, they demonstrated how these sensors could be used to spy on users with alarming accuracy. The team developed an algorithm capable of analyzing subtle fluctuations in light detected by the sensor to reconstruct audio signals. The results were startling. The algorithm could reconstruct speech with enough clarity to identify individual speakers and even transcribe conversations. This was achieved without needing access to the phone's microphone, relying solely on the data collected by the ambient light sensor. The MIT study highlighted the urgent need for enhanced security measures to protect user privacy. It demonstrated that even seemingly innocuous sensors could be exploited to collect sensitive personal information. This research served as a wake-up call, prompting a much-needed conversation about the trade-offs between convenience and privacy in the digital age. To understand how ambient light sensors can be exploited, it's essential to understand how they work. These sensors consist of a photodiode, a semiconductor device that converts light into an electrical current. As light falls on the photodiode, it generates a current proportional to the light intensity. This current is then amplified and converted into a digital signal that the phone's processor can understand. The processor uses this information to adjust the screen brightness, ensuring optimal visibility in varying lighting conditions. However, this seemingly simple process creates a trail of data that can be analyzed to reveal surprising amounts of information. The key to the sensor's vulnerability lies in its sensitivity. It can detect even the slightest changes in light intensity, including those caused by sound waves. By analyzing these subtle fluctuations in light intensity, researchers have been able to reconstruct audio signals with remarkable accuracy. This means that even when you think you are whispering in private, your phone's light sensor could be silently recording your every word. The implications of this spying capability are far-reaching, impacting various aspects of our lives. Imagine a scenario where a malicious actor gains access to your phone's light sensor data. They could potentially track your keystrokes by analyzing the subtle changes in light reflected off your fingers as you type. This could expose sensitive information like passwords and credit card numbers. Furthermore, the sensor's ability to detect minute vibrations means it could be used to eavesdrop on conversations. By analyzing the variations in light caused by sound waves hitting nearby objects, attackers could reconstruct audio signals and listen in on private conversations. Researchers have shown that ambient light sensors can be used to track hand gestures, potentially revealing information about your browsing habits or even your emotional state. The potential for misuse is vast and unsettling. It underscores the need for greater awareness about the hidden capabilities of seemingly innocuous sensors and the importance of robust security measures to protect our privacy. While the potential for misuse of ambient light sensors is concerning, there are steps we can take to mitigate the risks. One approach is to limit the sensor's access to information. This can be achieved through software-side mitigation measures that restrict the rate at which the sensor collects data. By reducing the sampling rate, we can limit the amount of information available to potential attackers, making it significantly more difficult to reconstruct audio signals or track movements accurately. Another crucial step is to raise user awareness. Many people are unaware of the potential for their phones to spy on them through the ambient light sensor. By educating users about the risks, we empower them to make informed decisions about their privacy. User awareness, combined with robust security measures, can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to light sensor spying. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and insights. And let me know in the comments below.